Hi everyone, I am Deepa Thakur. In this presentation, we will learn how to return pointers to the function. For this purpose, I am going to give you program in order to find out the mid of the array. With the help of this program, learn how to return pointers to a function. So let's get started. In order to find out the mid of the array, here is the program. Inside this main function, we have this array. Which contain the many elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 elements in the array. In order to find out the number of elements of this array programmatically, we should write this line. Size of whole array divided by size of first element of the array. This helps us in calculating the number of elements stored in this array. For example, y will contain value 5. After this line, we have another line in which I have declared one pointer mid, which pointing to same integer. So this midpoint will contain some address which is pointed by mid. Find mid function. The parameter passed to this mid function are x and y. That means whole number and the variable y. Please note down, if you want to pass down the whole number, just you can have to write the name of the array, and if you want to pass integer variable, then we just have to write the name of that variable. So the address written by the function will get stored in this midpoint. Finally, with the help of this printf function, we can print the content stored in that particular location, pointed by this pointer. Let's see how find mid function works. In the definition of this function, see, we have written the address of x, y by 2. What does it mean? We know that y contained value 5. According to this example. 5 divided by 2. 5 here y value is 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. But as it is an integer division, therefore 0.5 get truncated and we get left with value 2. Therefore we can say that x y by 2 is equivalent to x 2. And please, we should go to index 2 and get the element. Index always start with 0, and therefore index 2 will be at this point. We can see here the value is 3 at index 2. Therefore x 2 is equivalent to 3. But we want the address of this element. Therefore, we should write percent in front of x, y divided by 2. And percent is the address of operator, which help us to get address of the element. If you want to get the address of this element, we should mention and percent. Finally, we can return this address back to this pointer. So we can say that pointer point to this particular location which contained value 3. And we can see here for this array mid is also 3. Now with the help of this printf function, we can print this value 3 on the screen. Therefore the output is 3 of this program. There is also one important point for us to understand. We can see here the data type. Data type of this function is int star. It is indicated that we are returning pointer or some address. Here we can see we are returning the address of this particular element. Returning the address is equivalent to returning the pointer. That is why we are returning integer star as a data type of this function. Integer star means that we are returning the address of some integer, and for receiving that address we must have pointer. Here we can see, here we have the pointer which will also contain the address of some integer, and we can see data type is int star. After understanding this program, here is a word of caution for you. Never ever try to return the address of an automatic variable. Automatic variable is also called as a local variable. We should never try to return the address of a local variable. For example, we have this program in which main function we have this pointer which will return the address of some integer, which is returning by function fun, and in function fun we can see this variable a, which is an automatic variable. A is the automatic variable, that is the local variable of this function. A will contain value 5, and we are trying to returning the address of this variable. Please note down that after returning the address of this variable, this function get destroyed, and the variable which are local of this function is also get destroyed. Therefore, we are trying to returning the address of a variable which is already destroyed. So here pointer is trying to point to the address of a variable which is already destroyed. Therefore, it is illegal, and warning message will get generated. Function returns address of local variable. You can see this warning in message after executing this program. Therefore, it is important us to understand that we should never return the address of some automatic variable. When I run the program, see in the output screen, when I compile the program, it show the error function return address of local variable. So this warning is generated. I hope you understand now returning pointers. If you have any queries, question, please write below in the comment section. I will answer them. If you like the video, please click on like button and share the video with your friends. For other topics, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload my new video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a good day.